3 seconds per question. Let's begin. The sun is a star. Humans can survive 2 weeks without water. Bananas grow on trees. The Earth orbits the sun once a year. Penguins live only in Antarctica. The human body is about 70% water. Coffee was first discovered in Ethiopia. Sharks are mammals. The Eiffel Tower can grow taller in summer. Honey never spoils. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. There's a city called Rome on every continent. Your heart beats about 100,000 times a day. The moon smells like gunpowder. The world's largest desert is the Sahara. An octopus has 3 hearts. Lightning can strike the same place twice. Humans have more bones as adults than as babies. Apples float because they're 25% air. You can hear sound in space. The shortest war in history lasted less than an hour. Goldfish have a 3-second memory. Octopuses can taste with their arms. The human brain is mostly fat. Polar bear's fur is white. Some turtles can breathe through their butts. The Great Wall of China is visible from the moon. Peanuts are not nuts. There's a species of jellyfish that can live forever. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. There are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way. The inventor of the Pringles can was buried in one. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. Some cats are allergic to humans. The human nose can detect over 1 trillion scents. Snakes can hear through their jaws. Dolphins sleep with one eye open. Butterflies taste with their feet. There are more fake flamingos on Earth than real ones. Water can boil and freeze at the same time. Humans share 50% of their DNA with bananas. In Japan, there's a train that barks to scare animals off the tracks. Alaska is the westernmost and easternmost U.S. state. The inventor of the guillotine was executed by one. Coca-Cola was originally green. A crocodile cannot stick its tongue out. Bees can recognize human faces. Tomatoes were once considered poisonous. The first alarm clock could only ring at 4 a.m. There's a lake inside an island inside a lake inside an island. The heart of a blue whale is the size of a small car. The Eiffel Tower was once sold by a con artist. Cleopatra lived closer in time to the moon landing than to the pyramids. The inventor of the light bulb was Nikola Tesla. Hot water freezes faster than cold water. In Switzerland, it's illegal to own just one guinea pig. The longest hiccup ever lasted 68 years. All the ants on Earth weigh more than all humans combined. There's a species of lizard that can walk on water. Lightning is hotter than the surface of the sun. The fingerprints of koalas are almost identical to humans. An ostrich's eye is bigger than its brain. The hashtag symbol is officially called an octothorpe. Humans can't burp in space. A cloud can weigh more than 1,000,000 pounds. Cows have best friends. A shrimp's heart is in its head. There's metal in human bones. The S in Harry S. Truman's name stands for Samuel. Pigeons can recognize themselves in mirrors. Lightning strikes Earth about 8 million times per day. Cats can't taste sweetness. The smell of rain is called petrichor. Jellyfish are 95% water. Mount Everest grows taller every year. The first oranges weren't orange. There's a mountain on Mars taller than all on Earth. The shortest commercial flight in the world lasts under 2 minutes. A snail can sleep for 3 years. The longest wedding veil was longer than 60 football fields. Humans can live longer without food than without sleep. Diamonds are made of compressed carbon. The first email was sent in 1971. The word alphabet comes from the first two Greek letters, alpha and beta. The largest living structure on Earth is the Great Barrier Reef. A blue whale's tongue weighs as much as an elephant. The strongest muscle in the body is the heart. Some metals can explode when touching water. You can't hum while holding your nose closed. The word quiz was invented as a bet. There are more possible chess games than atoms in the universe. In Iceland, you can see both the sunrise and sunset from the same place at midnight. Humans glow in the dark, but too faintly to see. A day on Earth used to last only 18 hours millions of years ago. The Sahara Desert has always been a desert. Saturn could float on water if there were a big enough ocean. There's a virus that turns caterpillars into zombies. Time passes slower on mountains than at sea level. The smell of fresh-cut grass is actually perfume made by plants. The universe could be flat. Write your score in the comments.